Hi, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. You gotta check this one out.
Beachy Beach.
So today, we have this amazing, beautiful family house at Carillon Beach. This 5-bedroom home boasts the grandeur and luxury that you're looking for this close to 30A. You've got a beautiful, welcoming entry space that moves right into your living space. You've got this living room that's big enough for the family and moves right into the kitchen. You've got a half bath, and the main bath has luxurious columns, always making you feel as grand as your home. The upstairs has the extra bedrooms. Everybody can be split, but you've got the main one downstairs. You also have this beautiful loft as you get upstairs. I absolutely adore how this 3rd level bonus room is there for peace and quiet. It could be a craft room, it could be the kids' room, it could be a theater room. And don't forget to get these views off this beautiful balcony. You are just a couple blocks from the sand in the beautiful gated community of Carilon. So for more information on this amazing property in Carilon, look in the description below. Click on the MLS listing link for all the fine details. You can call your favorite realtor or just let us know if you'd like to have your own private viewing of this one. And don't forget, subscribe to the Beach Show channel. Ring that bell so that you know the next time we've got an amazing property like this one. Bye.